Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, July the 14th, 2021. Two puzzles left, tectonic one and a binary one. But first we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 3097. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Now we have 4 1s in the second row, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then I cannot continue. How come? Is the question. How come? Let me compare then. Yeah, this row and that row. O, 1 1 1 1 O, empty box, O 1 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Now we have 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. And now, compare again. Double 1, no. Double 1 here. Interesting. This second and the third column. 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O, and between 2 1s comes an O. Finish in 3 minutes. Yes, I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the 4th and last puzzle of today, a tectonic one with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.